These things are big, dude. The time has finally come.
For what?
To put the roof on the box barn. Whoa, this is like seriously reflective.
Yeah.
I have a feeling like we're gonna use a few staples today.
No.
You don't think so? No? 4 or 5 tops.
As long as no one gets it in the face.
It's like the biggest roll of aluminum foil I've ever seen. It sure beats the slope of the other house. We did that roof and it was so steep.
They're going all the way to the edge.
You good? She's good. Oh, this thing's magnetic, dude. So just to kind of save time right now, I'm not doing every screw. I'm just gonna do enough to hold this stuff down and indicate where the lines are gonna be, and then come back through. Once we get all the stuff up here, come back through and just add tons of screws. I think this will save us half the time of screwing, half the screw time. And ideally, the silver stuff would go continuous roll the whole way. But since I don't know how much progress we're gonna make on this side of the roof, I was thinking just cutting them in case we're like back here another day or whatever. Then we'll have to tape seal everything. Are there any noticeable differences between this roofing job and the last one?
I'd have to stand on a really high ladder with it at my neck. Waiting for decapitation.
Waiting for decapitation. See, last time we did this, Melissa had like the downside job, but the roof was steep and the ladder was funky and this stuff's kind of funky. You're supposed to install it with like a little bit of a sag between the bays, so not like tight, but just a little bit saggy. I just never really have that much faith in tape. There's just something about it. It's like you've never seen a piece of tape that's actually lasted forever.
Yeah, like I'm guessing ancient Egypt didn't really know that.
Right. There's no tape on the pyramids. It's like it looks good when you install it. Okay, I'm letting go.
Yep.
I guess I could have moved the ladder. Ah, why bother? You know, it's so easy. It's safe and everything.
Take your time.
Alright, next roll of aluminum foil going in. Another building material that just doesn't seem as durable as others. It's aluminum foil. It lasts forever. Okay, that's it. And I guess the purpose of this stuff is twofold. Is that about right?
Hard to say with the wind.
Okay, I think it seems, oh, whoa. Good to do on a windy day. Okay, hold on, I gotta get overlap. Okay.
Yeah, that's a little far, but.
So I think this stuff's supposed to be like insulative, which it can't be very insulative, but also like a vapor deal.
Let it settle.
sorry. I just whacked it.
By the time you get all the way down here, it's gonna be fun.
Okay, I'm coming down. I don't know, just like a mild sunburn maybe.
That has to be a job like contractors do.
Next piece of roofing. This really is the best method. Just put it on your head and hope for the best. Okay.
There's a spider the size of tarantula on this piece of roof, and it's still half alive.
Here we go. Oh, screw John.
Yeah,
Look.
yeah. On it.
Oh, that spider is serious.
Yeah, and it's like alive.
It's not half alive, is it?
Yeah, it's still alive. It's got crushed.
Oh yeah, it's a fatty. And we're just holding to the string line down here. If you can see it, just kind of hiding under here, and it's still dialed in on the line. All right, you ready for another sheet? I'm just gonna gracelessly lift this one up to you.
Awesome. I'll graciously grab it.
Alright, we just got to like the 5th sheet of roofing, and I realized that I totally forgot these rinky-dink little foam strips. So Melissa's holding one sheet in place.
Okay,
Once we get that locked in, we'll have to go through, unscrew stuff, fit these dudes under. Good times, a little retrofit.
Yeah.
I don't know if we're gonna be able to fit them under there, but so if I do this, are you gonna be able to
A lot of adhesive.
get in there, you think? It doesn't have to go far. Like, it only has to go as far as the strip edge.
Yeah, no, I'm working on it. They won't be quite right, I guess, then.
Like, dude, it doesn't work that great. All right, screws going back in. Unless you got all the foamified all the way down. All right, last sheet before taking a break. Yeah? A little water break after this one? Not a lot of water, but a little water. Okay, letting go.
Got a wind coming.
Oh, shoot. Ah. Okay.
Hang on, we're stuck over here.
We took a quick break in the middle of the day because it was so hot, and it lasted till evening. So now we got some lower sun going on, and I think we got a quarter of this thing on. Started on this side, by the way, because it's like the least visible. Thought we kind of warm up before we got into the stuff by the road.
Yeah, just get it over the top and then. I think that was the goal, because then we had to do all the rest of it, like put the roof on, put the floors in, and because we were putting the floors in when Zach was.
Oh boy. It's a little bit tiring. Just a little. I'm not complaining, I'm just saying. Do you think this aluminum stuff's gonna do anything?
It just looks like batting for a quilt.
For a quilt? It's a quilted roof.
You want to grab more of that foam stuff while you're down there and hand it up?
Foam stuff?
Yeah, the. Okay. We're good. We're clear.
They're 8-foot piece of wood, but I think it needs to be shorter. Yeah, if you can pull it tight from there, maybe the wind will come out. We're doing this side next? Alright, that side's done. I left the flashers on the truck because I had a tree job today. But anyway, we gotta get stuff dialed in up here. I did put the string line up here already. String line. So we got that. But I think we need some foam rolls and screws and things.
You put that in the video.
Melissa struggled a little bit with the shipping container door. Ah, look, an organized pile of tools. Is there anything we learned on the other side that we should do differently on this side?
Work smarter.
Well, I'm not really capable of that, so you'll have to cover that part. Whoa. Should I throw you the cutting tool? Because I don't think I need it.
Don't throw it, please.
If they're all going to go like this, can I just put it on this thing and it'll slide down to you?
Sure. I really hope you got that on film. From work?
Yeah.
That's pretty awesome.
Yeah. I can make myself rice.
Yeah.
You know, it's all that.
You can make like a meal. That's good. I like that.
The big thing about going to the grocery store is like so much.
Yeah.
All right, end of day. Getting dark and it's starting to rain just a little bit. I think it's not quite half. I want to say it's half. Almost half.
One try.
Also, I didn't order any ridge cap until yesterday or the day before yesterday, and it's on shortage and backlog and stuff. So ridge cap's still coming. Eave trim is still coming. So we need, a few more supplies to really get the job done. It's starting to get actually covered in here. At some point we're not going to need that tarp for the tractor.
I know.
It's good?
Pull it up.
Okay, got it. This is our next to last long sheet. Still had to order a bunch of the short sheets for those little mini roofs down there, so it's not the end. It's not the end of the roofing, but it still feels kind of good. Getting the next to last, the penultimate long sheet down. No ridge cap yet, but it just feels kind of like there's roof on this thing. Almost. She's down there working.
All right, let's come down.
Ready?
Yeah.
We got the last piece of long roofing on the ground, and second side, oh, it's almost done.
too long. Is that all right?
Yeah, yeah.
Perfectly on the line.
On the line?
Yeah.
On the line. A couple things to check out. One is the line. That little bright orange thing is just so good. Who was keeping the line? I can't remember. Yeah, Melissa kept really good line. Let's go up top just so you can see everything. All right, in the next video, you're gonna see, oh man, we've got like a dandelion leaf up here. How'd this get up here? In the next video, we gotta put some ridge cap on. We gotta put some eave trim on. We gotta roof the side roofs. What are those things called? Roofettes? Whatever, the mini guys. So we got a little bit left to do. All right, that's it for this episode.
It's not a how-to video.
Oh.
But it's how we did it.
It is. All right, thanks for checking it out. See you in the next episode. We've actually got shade under here for the first time. Cover. There may be a day when the tractor doesn't have a tarp on it.